What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we've got the PIIFOX Walker75, and this is an absolutely game-changing, you might say. I know that's super overused in the tech field, but this literally has a joystick built into the keyboard itself. How cool is that, and why has this not been done before? But anyways, before we get started, huge shout out to Geeks Outfit for my Bob-omb t-shirt. It's super cool. If you want to check them out, I'll put a link in the description below. And onto the PIIFOX. So let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at what's inside. All right, so I'm going to open this up. It says it has a magnetic nameplate, aluminum alloy face cover, universal joystick, 1-inch screen or 0.96 inches screen, and hot swappable switches. So let's take a look. This is a 75% keyboard layout. We have some instructions here. That's pretty straightforward. These are generally on how to switch to Bluetooth mode or change the lighting effects and things like that. And it even has a way to check how much power is left, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and put the code up here in case anyone needs to scan that. And let's take a look. We have a very nice branded box here and a branded plastic cover as well. Let's go ahead and take the keyboard out. Oh my goodness. Look at these keys. These are clear keys here in a purplish color. I don't know if you can see that on the camera very well, but that looks really cool. It looks like those old school Game Boy style colors. And then let's do a little sound check here. Not bad. And let's go ahead and put it on the table and see how it's actually going to sound. Let's turn the mic down over here. And of course we have the really nice 25 logo right here, which is magnetic, so it does come off if you want to take that off. And when you do, that's where you get the USB for 2.4 gigahertz connections, which is really cool. I actually didn't know it did that until just now. So this is where the USB goes, and then you have your little magnetic logo here for the 25 that covers that up. Then we have a screen here. We can turn it on. Let me go ahead and find that. It's right here in the back. So we're going to switch it to Bluetooth mode, and you can see, wow, all the colors. You can see that the key over here is blinking. That lets you know that you're able to connect to Bluetooth. And we can now see the screen in the kind of mid-right where it has a clock and all kinds of cool information. So we have the Bluetooth connection here. We have whether caps lock is on, all that good stuff. And you can control it using that joystick here. So there is a built-in joystick. So when you're using this through Bluetooth, you can actually use the joystick, which makes it a pretty cool multimedia remote. I think this would work really well for, some consoles or Android TVs and things like that, to use this as a way of getting to different apps and videos and stuff. So yeah, it has the time, the date, and all kinds of goodies in that. Let's take a look at the back here. We can see that it has 3 Bluetooth connections, so you can switch between Bluetooth 1, 2, and 3 in case you want to connect it to your phone, your Steam Deck, and your PC or something like that, or PC and Mac and phone or something. You can have 3 different ones. You can have 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and you can have wired as well. So if you plug this directly in using the USB-C in the back, you can still use that as a standard wired device. Let's take a look at the instructions here and see what kind of stuff we can do. So we can use the function and the joystick to switch screen modes. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to use function. And yeah, we can now see that we can control audio. We can control brightness, Windows and Mac switching. So we can control all of the options right here. So let's try and go to lighting. And we can turn the brightness up on that little screen, which is pretty cool. We can change the color and mode, all using the joystick that's built into it, which is kind of wild. So you don't even have to just use the key combinations, you can actually use the joystick to change between the different modes and colors available by the keyboard itself. And then if we use function backspace, it tells you how much battery is left. How cool is that? I just hold down the function of backspace and it says that's how much battery is left. So yeah, pretty interesting keyboard here with lots of really cool hidden features. Definitely check out PIIFOX. I will put their link in the description below, and I'll try to get some extra footage with my other phone so you can check it out up close. All right, so finally, what is in the box? Apologies, I will fix the camera shaking thing in future videos. I'm gonna put it on a tripod. It's not working out on the desk mount. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this up here, and we do have some explanations here in it looks like Chinese or Japanese or something like that, but we do have the English version here, so that's for your reference in whatever language you need. And then we have the USB cable, which is a USB A to C cable. It's a pretty long one too, so that's there. And we have a keycap and a switch replacer. Oops, almost launched it. Keycap and switch replacer tool, so you can easily add and remove the keys as needed. So if I go in here and just go ahead and open up this switch replacer, we can pull out a keycap very easily. And if I use the switch replacer here, I can just place this in here, and you can simply pull out the switch just like that, so you can easily replace it as well. And placing it in is the same way. You just simply line up the icon, or line up the pins here and push it in. Then we get the key and replace that. Simply push that in as well, and we are good to go. So yeah, pretty useful setup here by PIIFOX. Never quite seen one with a screen and a adapter in the side here. That's really, really cool. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hope you have a good one. Peace.
And kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect, MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, yeah, MikeTheTech, the architect,